Okay, this is going to be the last of manipulating this existing shape. So I'm going to come back out to Onshape. I'm going to create a new shape. So I'm going to go to Create, Document. And again, this is going to be one more practice. We're going to practice here creating odd, irregular sized shapes. So we're not going to start with just a rectangle. We are going to draw our own shape in. So we're going to draw, how about a stair step? Everyone knows what that is by. Okay, so I'm going to click on the line. And again, this is a draw then dimension program. So I want to try to draw it first. Okay, now notice when I move my mouse, it's blue until I get to about right here. Now that little symbol, it looks like a little I or a little L, that is an inferred constraint. So an inferred constraint means as we're drawing, it's recognizing that that should be a vertical line. So I'm going to click, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wait, now it's recognizing it should be horizontal. And I'm going to make 3 stairs out of it. Okay, so in Inventor, it would have recognized when I put my mouse out here. Oh, here we go. It does do that. I can click, and I can click there. Okay, now we need to dimension it. Each stair is going to be 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to hit the Show Constraint button. So by drawing it, these are all the inferred. I didn't tell it that these two should be perpendicular, but based on geometry, if this is a vertical line, this is a horizontal line, this has to be 90, making it perpendicular. So sometimes, most of the time, this is very convenient. There will be times where it makes things difficult, but I'm going to go through and I'm going to dimension it. I want the overall size to be 3 by 3. So click on the line you didn't want to dimension, place the dimension, and then it should give you the text box to type. And each stair is going to be 1. Now, we went over dimensioning in CAD 1. It's going to follow those properties. You should always leave out 1 dimension since we have the overall is 3. And if these 2 stairs are each 1, I don't need to dimension this to be 1. It understands that. Now, in Inventor, it would give you a message as you're going to over constrain it. And let's see if this program does. Yes, so you know how so if you look at it, you see how it grayed out? That means it's not necessary. And I can put 1 more. Now, what I haven't done is dimensioned it to my center point. I'm going to use this one this time. So coincident, I want this point to fall on top of my center. Now, we'll spend more time going over what all the constraints are. Now we're just trying to get over the initial drawing. So I'm going to take that shape, I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, and I want you to extrude it 1 inch. Now we should be getting pretty good at extruding. Okay, 1 inch, I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm going to go back to my isometric view. Whoops, I should have put it on the front face instead so it was standing up. But that's okay. I want you to save this as number 4, and you're going to give me a screenshot of this.